Simply, the delta ND term is not leverage. When you say leverage, most people think about the amplification of equity gains and losses, which is covered by the gearing term. Now, this comes up often because there's this kind of school of thought that says maybe we shouldn't give the GP full credit for the return driven by leverage because higher debt correlates to higher risk, and after all, it's only financial engineering. We'll cover this in more detail in later videos. I'll just point out that gearing could go both ways. If you lose money on a deal, debt will make you lose more of it. Your investors are unlikely to ignore the impact of extra losses because it was only financial engineering. Anyway, our delta ND term shows up right here in cash flow generation. This is a better term than debt paydown because the delta ND term is also important to companies without debt. In a growth deal, it measures cash accumulated on the balance sheet or burned for growth. The essential thing is that cash flow generation is different from classic leverage, and regardless of what you think about gearing, GPs should get credit for cash flow generation because it's downstream from all the financing decisions about debt levels, interest rates, and growth capital. We'll talk more about both gearing and cash flow generation in later videos.